Today we want to convert day to hour to minutes and seconds. We all know that 24 hours make one day. So I'll just put equal convert. Then I'll select my F3, my day. Then comma, I'll open my parenthesis for this. You can see all the formula of conversion listed out. What I want is day. I'll do D, that's day. Close that. Comma, what I want to convert it to is hour, HR to hour. Then I'll close that, press enter. So that is 24 hour. I'll just copy the same formula into others. I'll just change the parameters. A copy, then paste it here. So, instead of hour, I want to change it to minute. Just press MN, that's minute. Press enter. And for my seconds, I'll paste the same formula. What I'll just do is change this to seconds. That's SEC, press enter. So I have 24 hours make a day, 1,440 minutes make a day, 86,400 seconds make a day. So what I'll just do is double tap here. So I have my other information autofill. So I have 864,000 seconds make 10 days. That's it.